Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the Beaver Cup Challenge Exhibitions in Heartopia. So Heartopia has a build challenge event that you can do together with your friends as a team. And now the exhibition's registration phase is finally open, like this. Just tap on the Beaver icon on here. And then to join or register, make sure your team meets these two requirements first, like this. Your fresh sprout amount must reach the required number. At least it reaches 10,000 fresh sprout like this. And then your build rating must also reach the required value, at least at the 1,500 like this. And you can get the fresh sprout by completing daily quests on here. This one, daily quest or weekly quest. Or you can also get the fresh sprout by selling items to the Beaver event. Over here, you can access it from the terminal. Like this, you can just get the fresh sprout by selling items on here. And for the build rating, just keep building and upgrading your structures regularly because your score will continue increasing over time. And once both requirements are complete, the eligible button will be active like this. And you're done. That's how you can join the Beaver Cup Challenge Exhibitions in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!